Brody, what's happening, my friend? Hey, I gotta go check, change this air filter. Gotta go in some building. It's a rooftop unit. They got 4 filters. I gotta change it. So stay tuned. Coming up. Let's go over there. Check it out. Maybe we find something else to do. All right. Four new filters. They need a new pulley, but I wasn't here for that. They already give them a price, so that's not in there. It's a totally different job. Yeah, the pulley, yeah, you could use a new pulley. Well, anyway. The coil doesn't look that bad. I think you wash it, but I'm gonna leave it alone. All right. It doesn't look that bad. A little bit rusty over here, but man, I thought I was gonna sell a new heater changer, but I guess not. Nothing wrong with this thing. Pretty good. For 10 years old, I don't think this thing did never been changed. No, I think they did change. Look at the screw. That's not a. See the screw there? That's not a factory screw. Well, it might be a factory screw. I think they already changed these ones. Yeah. It's a damper down there. See that? So it's closed. It's at least halfway closed, so they're not hitting the other side of the building. I mean, cooling the other side of the building. So everything goes in this side. All right, so look good. All right, let me wrap this thing up.